Clearing the medical test for government exam is extremely important for candidates who aim to join defense, railways, paramilitary, aviation, or any job that has high standard physical requirement. Often the biggest hurdle is wearing spectacles or having unclear vision. In such a situation, candidates consider undergoing LASIK surgery, but there is a confusion about whether flap LASIK or flapless LASIK is the right option. Flap LASIK such as C-LASIK, Contour Vision and Innovize is a traditional and commonly used specs removal surgery. In this method, the surgeon creates a flap in the superficial layer of the cornea using microkeratome blade or femtosecond laser. After creating the flap, the cornea is V-shaped using the laser to remove the spectacle number. Recovery is quite fast, vision becomes clear within approximately 24 hours and patient can return to a normal routine. However, flap LASIK comes with certain complications. Sometimes the flap can shift, infection or swelling can occur under the flap, dry eyes may develop, and most importantly, in case of a future accident or impact on the cornea, the flap can be damaged again. This is the reason why flap LASIK is sometimes considered risky for high activity jobs and government exams where strict medical checkups are conducted. Additionally, the marks of flap LASIK are often detectable during routine slit lamp examination, making the flap-based surgery identifiable during medical evaluation. Flapless LASIK is the latest and safer advancement in which no flap is created at all. There are two techniques under this category. First is Customize and second is Clear Neo. Customize is a touchless, flapless, bladeless procedure in which laser is applied directly to the surface to correct the number. Since no flap is created in these procedures, they are non-detectable, making them more preferable from the perspective of government medical examination. On the other hand, Clear Neo is a lenticule-based technique in which the laser creates a small lenticule inside the cornea and removes it. This procedure is not only flapless but also offers a fast recovery. Patient achieves clear vision quickly and risk of complications is almost negligible as no flap is made. Cornea's natural strength is preserved, ensuring high long-term stability. In government medical, eye standards are very strict. Doctors also check the candidate's eye history. Candidates who have undergone flap LASIK are sometimes disqualified because flap becomes a permanent weak point which can be problematic in case of injury. In contrast, flapless LASIK procedures like Clear Neo and Customize are considered more suitable because they do not involve the creation of flap. This means that the biomechanics and strength of the cornea remains preserved just like in the natural state, and long-term safeties are also ensured. That is why if your goal is to clear government exam, you should always prefer flapless LASIK. If you are also preparing for the government exam and spectacles are becoming a barrier, then call our helpline number today to book your free consultation. If you have any question, feel free to ask us in comments.